Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair, even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have y'all seen that meme that's like, don't say it, don't say it? Oh, I gotta say it. Welcome to my YouTube channel, because literally that is how I feel every time I sign on to YouTube. It's like, what else do I say? What else can I possibly say? So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss a beat. If you're already subscribed, I thank you so very much for staying in tune with my videos. This video is going to be all about how to maintain your braided hairstyle. I've been trying to hit this protective style for 4 weeks. I did that with my faux locks, and I'm trying to do it with these. If you have not seen exactly how I put in these knotless braids, I have a video for that, so definitely check that out. But in this video, I'm just gonna talk about all about maintaining your hair, the weave hair, your scalp, and all of that. So first things first, when you get your hair done, make sure you have a head rag, like so. But make sure it's like covering your edges. Like mine, it slid back when I was asleep and also when I was doing my makeup, you know what I'm saying? So when you put yours on, make sure it's covering up. So that's the first thing. Now let me take this down and show y'all how much frizz I have. I know how to do my own hair, my own braids, so I kind of hate frizz because I'm just like, I can just do it over. I can just do it myself, right? But I'm trying my hardest to keep my protective styles in and make them last and make them, you know, make them last. Because that's the point of protective styles. So my ends are looking absolutely horrible. My hair is sticking out of the braids, like it's super frizzy, and I also have frizz at my roots. It's something. And then also my scalp has been itching just a little bit. So I'm just gonna tell you guys how to get rid of the frizz throughout your braids, from keeping your hair to be sticking up, how to make your edges be popping because the little hairs will come out of your braids, and also how to make the parts around not look frizzy and make them look nice and sleek. First, I want to deal with this itchy scalp of mine. I do not want to wash my scalp because it's just going to make the braids more frizzy. And when I say itchy, I don't mean like, oh my god, this itches, I need to scratch it so bad. Because if that's happening to you, you probably have inflammation and maybe even an allergic reaction, and you should take out your braids immediately. I just mean I've been having it in for a week and my scalp itches a little bit. So first things first, I am going to grab my tea tree oil, and I got this one from the beauty supply store, and this is a moisturizing oil for hair, scalp, and body. It promotes a healthy scalp and clean hair, help controls dryness with natural oil. So that's why I picked the tea tree oil. I also have peppermint oil. If you work out and your hair like will stink or anything, the peppermint oil will take that smell absolutely away. So this is the peppermint oil that I use sometimes. I use this more so for smell. I use this for when my scalp is itching. This will basically be a scalp massage, and I will be using my fingertips of my hair. This will promote hair growth stimulation, but also it will moisturize my scalp and my new growth that is actually coming in. Put it throughout my hair, and I barely squeeze it, and I just like to go around my edges, go around my parts, and I do it pretty quickly. I don't add too much oil because I don't want it to be dripping down my neck, and I just use the pads of my fingertips. If the ends of your hair are getting super frizzy and they're bothering you, things you need to remember is to brush your hair out every morning and every night. So you hear that? I didn't brush my hair this morning or last night because I wanted you guys to see on the video. So make sure you're constantly brushing your hair out. And then also you can re-dip your hair in hot water if you want it to seal a little bit better and not be like frizzy. I see most people use mousse and some type of alcoholic foam to get their hair to lay down and be sleek. But I don't like to use that for the simple fact that I'm literally putting alcohol on my hair, which I believe may make it sleek. It will make it sleek, but it's also causing lots of friction and probably breakage, and it's not moisturizing your hair. And the point of a protective style is to keep your hair moisturized. So I go in with this leave-in conditioner. This one just so happens to be by Curls. You can use any type of leave-in conditioner, and it's not super thick, but it's also not watery. So I just take it, bring it up to my scalp, and bring it down the shaft. In again and just like squeeze it down, because I see my real hairs poking out and I just want to flatten them. And don't be scared to put it on your braids and on your scalp, because we're gonna fix the scalp in a minute. In a minute. The part around the braid and the edges, they kind of simultaneously go together. My toothbrush is wet. I love to use the Got To Be glue because your hair will like literally permanently stay for the next 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 business days.
I am SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.